If you're an author, your website can't just be a basic about me page with a headshot and a buy link slapped on the side, right? Your readers, they want a place to discover your books, join your email list, and actually connect with you as a person, not just a product. Without a solid website, it's much harder to build a loyal audience, grow your newsletter, or turn casual browsers into lifelong fans. A good author website should showcase your books, capture email subscribers, highlight events or launches, and make it dead simple for people to buy your work. So by the end of this video here, you'll know exactly which website builder is the best fit for you as an author. And stick around, because if you guess wrong or click away too early, you could end up wasting money and time on a site that really never helps you sell any more books. So author websites, they are different because you're not just selling a single product, right? You're building a brand around you. You need a site that can grow as your catalog grows, handle email signups, show off your books in a clean, professional way, and still feel personal and on brand. On top of that, your website has to appeal to both first-time visitors and long-time readers, which means that it has to be easy to navigate and fast to update as your career evolves. Now, before we move forward here, I have to say, if you're like me and you don't have time to research, dozens of website builders, and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of authors, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade later in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link, of course, but it is going to be there throughout the video if you need it. Now, in the next section here, let's talk about the website builder that, in my opinion, is the best overall starting point for most authors. All right, so Wix is hands down the best overall option for most authors because it gives you a ton of creative control without forcing you to mess with code. It's especially great if you want your site to feel like you, right? Your genre, your vibe, your personality, rather than some generic template that could belong to any random author out there. You can drag and drop elements exactly where you want them, which makes it easy to design, custom book pages, a clean homepage, and a dedicated landing page for things like your free lead magnet or, upcoming release. Authors tend to love Wix because it lets you bundle everything under one roof, right? So your blog, your book catalog, your newsletter sign up, and even a small store if you want to sell signed copies or merch. You can, for example, set up a page for a new fantasy series that includes book covers, blurbs, sample chapters, reader reviews, and a big obvious, buy now button that links out to Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or wherever you sell. The app marketplace also makes it easy to plug in email marketing tools, contact forms, and event calendars for things like book signings or virtual launches. Now, on the downside, if you obsess over constantly designing every little detail, Wix's freedom can be a little bit overwhelming, and some of the fancier templates, they can feel slightly heavier on loading speed if you overstuff them with images and widgets. Now, pricing is very reasonable for most authors, though, with plans typically in the low to mid monthly range, depending on whether you need e-commerce and how much storage you actually use. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. Now, if you like the idea of a clean, professional site, but you want something even more minimal and design focused, the next builder here might be exactly what you're looking for instead. Squarespace is best for authors who really want that ultra polished, cover designer approved look without spending hours tweaking tiny design details. If your brand leans heavily on visual identity, so beautiful book covers, moody photography, or a strong aesthetic that matches your genre, Squarespace really shines. It gives you stunning templates that look great right out of the box, which is perfect if you're more, writer than designer, and you'd rather spend your time on your next book instead of messing with the layout. Now, authors like Squarespace because the templates are very structured and consistent, which keeps everything looking professional. It's easy to build a streamlined homepage that highlights your latest release, a simple, books page organized by series or genre, and an email sign-up section that doesn't feel intrusive. Now, for example, if you write romance, right, you could have a soft, elegant theme with a strong focus on cover art and testimonials that instantly tells visitors what kind of stories that you write. Pricing is typically in a similar range to Wix, landing in that affordable monthly sweet spot for most serious authors. Now, the trade-off is that Squarespace, it isn't as flexible as Wix in most cases. So if you love tinkering and want to move every button or text box wherever you want, well, you may find Squarespace a bit restrictive. It also doesn't have as many integrations or apps as Wix, which can matter if you want more advanced marketing features later down the road. That's why for the majority of authors, Wix still edges it out as the better overall choice in my opinion. But if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there is a link for it in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. But if you're, more budget conscious or, you don't mind getting a little bit more technical to save some money and you have the room to grow, the next option here is worth a serious look. Hostinger is best for authors who want maximum control and room to grow while keeping costs as low as possible. Instead of being just a website builder, Hostinger is more of a, hosting platform that lets you build your site using tools like WordPress and their own website builder. And that means it's great for authors who think long-term. So, maybe you want a simple site now, but you could see yourself expanding into courses, membership areas, or larger content libraries in the future. Authors who like Hostinger, they usually appreciate the combination of low cost and flexibility. You can, for example, build a WordPress-based author site with a dedicated book catalog plugin, SEO tools to help your books rank for your name and series titles, and a blog to share behind-the-scenes posts or writing updates. Hostinger's plans are often much cheaper per month than most bundle builders out there, especially if you pay annually, which can be a big deal if you're starting out on a tight budget. Performance is generally solid too, which helps your pages load quickly when someone clicks over from Amazon or social media. Now, the downside is that Hostinger, especially when paired with WordPress, it can feel more technical than Wix or Squarespace. You're also responsible for more setup and maintenance, like updating plugins and choosing a theme that really works well for authors. Now, if that sounds intimidating, you may definitely prefer something that's more plug and play like Wix or Squarespace. Pricing varies by plan length and features, but it's usually at the very low end of the spectrum, which is why it's so attractive for cost-conscious writers. If Hostinger sounds like it's the best fit for you, well, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, which also entitles you to a special deal that they are also running right now for new customers. And if you're not quite sold on any platform yet, you're still kind of comparing your options, no problem at all. The next section here will walk you through exactly what to look for in an author website builder so that you can make the right decision. So when you're choosing a website builder as an author, there are a few key things that you really want to pay attention to so you don't end up, rebuilding everything 6 months from now. So first, look for easy customization of book pages. You should be able to create clean, attractive book or series pages with space for cover art, descriptions, reviews, and buy buttons. It's hard to showcase your books properly. That's a red flag. Imagine releasing a new thriller and not being able to give it a dedicated landing page that actually sells it. That's a missed opportunity. Second, make sure that it has strong email list integration. So your email list is one of your most valuable assets as an author. You really want to make sure that your website builder connects smoothly with tools like Brevo, MailerLite, ConvertKit, or whatever you use, and make it easy to add, opt-in forms and lead magnet pages. Third, consider blogging and content options. So even if you don't plan to blog weekly, having the option to post updates, behind-the-scenes content, or articles that can bring in organic search traffic is huge for long-term growth. Fourth, pay attention to design flexibility and templates that fit your genre. A horror author's site should feel different from a children's author's site. Look for templates that can really match your tone and your audience without tons of extra work. Fifth, check pricing and scalability. So you don't want to outgrow your platform as soon as your readership grows. Make sure the builder fits your budget now and can handle more traffic in the future, more books, and maybe even e-commerce down the road. And finally, don't ignore ease of use. So if every small change requires a developer or tutorial, you'll procrastinate updating your site, and an outdated author site is almost as bad as having no site at all. Now, at the end of the day here, all three of these options, they can work for authors, but Wix really stands out as the best overall choice for roughly 99% of writers. It gives you the flexibility to design a site that truly reflects your author brand, the tools to highlight your books and grow your email list, and the simplicity to actually keep everything updated without a ton of tech headaches. So if you're tired of feeling like your website just doesn't do your writing career justice, or you've been, kind of putting it off because it feels overwhelming, Wix is a great way to finally get a professional author site live. Again, you can click right up here to create a free account and see how it feels for yourself. Now, if you have any questions for me or you're still on the fence for some reason, have a really specific question, no problem at all. Just drop me a comment below and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.